Hi, I'm Jervis Bay. I currently manage a fund that's domiciled out of Singapore. It's the O5 Capital Absolute Return Fund. The goal of this fund is to adopt a very macro-centric, macro-first approach to public equity investing. The genesis of the fund is to take a very macro-driven approach, right? So, I need to form a firm macro opinion or macro thesis first, and then we build our equity portfolio around this macro thesis. So, as the name suggests, Macrobond obviously would then be the go-to source for macro information. Now, the great thing about Macrobond is the central source of macroeconomic data globally, and at the same time, I don't know if this was the genesis of it, but the whole engine behind Macrobond was centered around visuals. So there was a lot of calculations going in the back, and you could do all the same statistics, regression analysis, lag, lead type analysis that you could do on Excel, but on Macrobond, and they would do it for you in the background, and all you would get is a pretty visual at the end of it. So working sort of in my sort of Frankenstein fashion before, taking stuff from Bloomberg, from Fred, putting it into Excel, or using Excel to put it into Tableau and create a nice image. All that could get replaced by Macrobond. And like I mentioned before, there is an inertia, if you were, analytical inertia. Like when you have an idea in your head and you're like, I want to investigate if XYZ actually has a lead or lagging relationship to ABC, but I need to go pull it from here, I need to put it into Excel. Excel doesn't have this capability, Tableau does. Let me format it nicely, put it into Tableau. Like, you think about it, it's Saturday, do I really want to do this now? Maybe not. Now on Macrobond, it's like, hey, it's Saturday, yeah, sure, but I can actually get this all done in the time it takes for me to drink my morning coffee. And suddenly, it just opens up a whole world of possibilities.